Did you know that the mushrooms you buy from supermarkets could be teeming with harmful pesticides? These chemicals, meant to kill pests, can also have detrimental effects on human health, including nerve damage and even cancer. By choosing to grow mushrooms at home using organic methods, you not only ensure your food is safe but also protect your family's health. Everyone loves a good save, but imagine saving while boosting your health. Homegrown organic mushrooms can significantly reduce your grocery bills. With Mushroom Growing For You, you'll learn to cultivate mushrooms at a fraction of the cost of store-bought ones, turning your love for mushrooms into a profitable venture. Mushrooms are just the beginning. Diving into the world of organic mushroom cultivation is a step towards a sustainable lifestyle. By growing your own organic, pesticide-free mushrooms, you're not only making a positive impact on your health but also on the environment, endorsing a lifestyle that supports earth-friendly practices. Whether you're a novice or an expert, Mushroom Growing For You offers over 155 pages of easy-to-follow instructions and step-by-step HD video tutorials. From setting up your incubation chamber to harvesting your own organic mushrooms, this comprehensive system ensures you succeed in your mushroom cultivation journey. Ready to take control of what you eat and save money while doing it? Click the link below to order Mushroom Growing For You and start your journey towards healthier, cost-effective, and sustainable living. With our 60-day money-back guarantee, you have nothing to lose but plenty to gain.